Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have Reik and Maria Becerra, I believe it's pronounced like that, with a song called Los Tragos. So this is Spanish and Latin here, and this song here, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna butcher a lot of words, or perhaps every word. And perhaps I need to take a Spanish lesson after this tutorial. But that's another thing here. Let's start with this song here. We need to set our capo up on this 7th fret here, up high, to have this high notes. So yeah, with the 7th fret here on the capo, let's start with the chords, and we have the following chords. C, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have G here, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B this time. Sometimes we teach 3rd on B, but this one is open, and then 3rd E. Okay, then we have the D minor, so open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Then A minor, so open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be F. So you bar all strings here on the 1st fret, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Okay, so the first part is based upon these chords here, the C, G, D minor, A minor, and back to G. It sounds like this. Okay, you will play that chord progression for 2 rounds. So what you do there is you grab the chord here, the C first. You're gonna play 3rd on A, then open G, and then 1st B and 1st E together. That's the C. Next is the G chord here. So you're gonna play this part, 3rd on E in the bass, then open D, and then open G and open B together. That's the G. Then we have the D minor here, this part. So that is open D, 2nd G, and 3rd B together with 1st E. All right, let's move on to the A minor part, this one. So that is open A, then 2nd D, and then 2nd G together with 1st B. So that was the A minor. And then again the G part here, and that is played in the same way as the 1st G we'll learn here. So this part. So together it sounds like this. Yeah, you're gonna play that for 2 rounds, and then after these 2 rounds you're gonna play just 1 down for F. So breaks between these chords, then comes A minor, then comes C, and then G. Okay, and when we have come so far, we have played in the lyrics until no te puedo olvidar, no. Yeah, something like that. Okay, and we will start on anoche. That's what I think is the first word there, pronounced in that way. So now starts the strumming here, and we will look at the strumming pattern first, and that will be pretty much the basic strumming pattern that will be about 80% of this song here. So if we grab a C chord here, that will be the first chord. Then the strumming will sound like this. All right, so that was down, down, up, clap, down, up. And that is 1 strumming round. down, down, up, clap, down, up. Okay, so down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, down, up, clap, down, up. Okay, so this one I will call the strumming number 1, since we're gonna have one strumming number 2 pretty soon here, but this number 1 here is the main strumming for this song here. So you're gonna play this strumming right now for 2 rounds of the following chords. C, you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds for C, so then 2 for G, G, then 2 for D minor, then 1 for A minor, and 1 for G. Okay, so that was one chord progression: C2, G2, D minor 2, A minor 1, and G1. One chord progression was that, and you're gonna play that for 2 rounds. So let's go for 2 rounds. C, G, G, D minor, A minor, and G. And another round. C, G, G, D minor, D minor, A minor, G. Right. So that was what I believe is the chorus here. And then we are in the lyrics y ahora me encuentro. Yeah, sorry for that, all my Spanish friends. But that is where we will start a new strumming pattern. And for this one, you will play the like this, so bass top, okay? So it will be like that. So it's a bit jumpy, this strumming here. So what you do there, it's just downs all the time, and it will be one strum round will be for 4 downs. So it will be down, 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 down. That is one strumming round. And you will play when you have this C chord, for instance, that is still the first chord here. So grab that one. You will play bass, top, and bass, I mean more on the bass strings when you make one downstroke, and on the top I mean more on the higher strings down here on the top strings. So one strumming for C will be like that, okay? So it follows the same pattern here: C 2 times, G 2 times, D minor 2 times, A minor 1 time, and G 1 time. So you're gonna play this for only 1 round. So only 1 round, okay? So it sounds like this. Yeah. So that is the strumming number 2 there, okay? Only 1 round, and then you're gonna continue with the strumming number 1. So back to this one: down, down, up, clap, down, up. So same chords there, same amount of times for each chord. Like this, all right? So when you play this strumming number 2 for 1 round, you will continue with this strumming number 1 for 4 rounds. And when you play that for 4 rounds, we will start in the lyrics sigo pendiente a ti, okay? So now we are perhaps halfway through, a little more or so. So on sigo pendiente a ti, then you will start to play this intro play we had in the beginning here. So this one. And you will play that for 1 round, okay? And after this 1 round, we are starting on the lyrics me está matando la cabeza. Yeah. And when you are there, you will start to play the strumming number 1. And that is pretty much what you will end this song with. So you're gonna play the strumming number 1, this down, down, up, clap, down, up. Same amount of times, and like this, C, G, D minor, A minor, and G. And you will play that for 4 rounds, and that pretty much end this song here. And then we have just one final outro part there with some vocals in this. So together it will be 5 rounds of this strumming, and that will summarize the song called Los Tragos. So I hope you enjoy this one, and perhaps yeah, it's okay if you laugh at me. My Spanish is not that good at all, actually. So yeah, I just give you the music here and play and have fun with it. So see you soon, guys, and don't forget, play tuned.